what's up guys? Aaron from Great Lakes RC. I'm out with Kraton again, 6S Kraton. I brought the big ramp up on top of my hill. I still got a few issues with it. You can kind of see here, this is some wet spots because it's under my deck. I tarp it, it's still getting moisture on it. I redid a few things. I put some cross members in here. Some of these were off, so I redid them. I think one of these is still split, so trying to salvage it. Really would like to get one of those fresh park ramps, but boy, right now the 600 bucks, I just really don't want to spend it. I want to spend my money on other things like upgrades and other trucks. I think that's about it. But I've been driving the sledge a little bit lately, so I wanted to get the Kraton out just for a good comparison because I've been enjoying the sledge. I'm thinking about getting that extended sledge kit from M2C because, like I said, I got this Kraton that's really good. So anyway, I want to give this a few launches off here. Holy wow. Okay, that just sent this thing into absolute orbit. Whoa. Well, that changes things drastically. I can't remember getting that much air off of the top of the hill there. Holy moly. Kraton just launched. Kraton's definitely got a faster setup than my sledge. Torquey monster. Hopefully I don't blow tires out. I'm convinced that keeping my vehicles in my basement is what leads to some of my glue coming undone. Just being in a moisture kind of environment. I do the best I can to keep the moisture out of the basement, but you know, it's a basement. And I'm always having tires unglued. It doesn't seem to matter to the truck. So this one's kind of giving me that sound that the tire is going to come on. Anyway, this is where I store it underneath here. That's the tarp. So, you know, it's kind of protected from the weather, but it's still, it still gets water on it. So I just really don't know long term if that's really going to work. This is really launching amazing right now. I can't even believe this. Yeah, that's definitely sounds like a tire's coming unglued, which is frustrating to me. I haven't done a pavement run in a while. Definitely hear a tire. That one, front left. Wow. And it's fun launching these RCs. I'll tell you what, never gets old. Double. Easy double. A-scale truggies. It doesn't matter. They're all fun. Oh, that just blew through the body. Oh no. Oh, jeez, this thing's going higher than the peak of my house. It's insane. Uh-oh. Oh, hit it wrong. Oof. Maybe not quite to the peak of the roof. Pretty high though. Whoa! Oh no! Oh no! It survived. It survived. Nice. Oh, again with the body. Oh man, I gotta do something. Maybe I'll put some washers on there. Might have to put a washer or something on there. It's just pulling through every time, and then you lose. I lost both body pins. So all right, I think I'll call that. I'll have to figure out what to do. I really like this body. It was custom painted, and I forget the guy's name, but anyway, it was custom painted. And I put all kinds of tape on it to extend the life, and this is just an issue right now. So I got to figure something out. Set up, in case anybody's forgotten, because it's been a while. Looks like my center diff needs some maintenance. That's really hot too. Is this motor hot as all get out? It's pretty warm. I'll have to check the temp on that. This looks like this is loose too. Yeah, that's loosened up. Big time loosened up. So I got to do a couple maintenance things, but I guess when you send it that high, stuff's bound to have. Oh, I got Velcro on it. That's what I did. So anyway, ProTech Servo 370 TBL. Voltage Hobbies parts. This is kind of an oldie one. Shock towers are voltage, and then the servo mounts voltage. That's where they use the hex rod. Which I think is a great design. And then M2C rear chassis brace. I think the front is still GKA, the GKA wing stopper, and of course the M2C chassis. I think that's a voltage. No, that's a GKA Arrma plate. RPM front and rear arms. And then I think everything else is Kraton, stock Kraton guards. These RPM mud guards, which I think M2C is going to make some mud guards. It's pretty soon. And then can't remember which one those are. And then those pins I think are GKA. So that's the rundown. I'll catch you next time.